Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. It is possible that AVAX has started here this small pullback in a B wave. We talked about that only yesterday in yesterday's video. But the pullback isn't deep enough yet to really confirm that. What we can say is there are two wave counts, two scenarios I'm tracking here. Let's talk about the short-term bearish one first. Then we talk about the short-term bullish one. Both allow still for further upside afterwards, but the short-term bearish one would probably lead to a test of the lower support area before recovery occurs. And here specifically, the levels at 1696 and 1262. In this scenario, we have in the in the white count a WXY structure. The Y wave could stretch a little bit higher, possibly towards $32.83, because that's the 100% extension of the initial wave W, key target for the wave Y, that is. And the Y wave could then form an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Could it rally directly? Yes, but a larger ABC is possible. And the support area at the moment only shows us the risk levels. It doesn't predict a dip, but I think it would look best. And then we could get one more high towards 32.83. And if the price gets rejected there, then from here we could test support before it goes higher. So all I'm saying, there could be this test of the orange micro support, which is defined between $21.90 and $25.20 before it gives us one more high. The blue count is the short-term bullish one. Here, it's just a different structure. We might also see a dip into support, also in a B wave, but in a different, larger time frame structure, because this is wave 1 of a diagonal instead of wave W, this top on the 25th of August. The pullback was a wave 2 instead of an X wave, and we're now moving up in a third wave instead of an X wave. So, yeah. And so this down here was the internal X wave, that is the Y wave of the larger X wave. So the idea is that this rally here would be a third wave, but also the third wave probably won't rally in a straight line, but it's more like an A, B, C structure. Important here to mention that blue wave 3 should reach the 1.38 Fibonacci extension that is located at 39.55. Then a fourth wave and a fifth wave. And that could take us to $44, $48 plus. But only with these 5 waves, I can confirm that a substantial low formed on the 5th of August, very similar to what Bitcoin is doing at the moment. And it pretty much depends on whether the bulls can hold above the upper micro support, because any break below $21.95, which is the 78.6 retracement of the upper support area, would mean that likely a more substantial top has formed already. And until that happens, however, I would prefer at least for the price to get to 32.83. That's the update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.